All right, thanks for joining us on Valley News Live. Take a look at these clouds passing over the Dakota Magic Casino fairly quickly, and those winds that have been from the northwest throughout the day and gusting at times over 25 miles per hour. So a breezy one in that northwesterly direction, reinforcing the pool of cool that is in place. We're seeing some low to mid 60s here in the Southern Valley, 63 at Hector right now. Sunset tonight at 9:26, and being so close to the summer solstice. It's the day with the most hours of daylight throughout the year. We're nearly at that 16-hour mark, and that's a good amount of daylight. The number of daylight hours just gets shorter and shorter from here. However, winds still, well, around 15 miles per hour from the west-northwest. 62 for Grand Forks, 61 in Langdon and Valley City. It's 71 in the Aberdeen area. Right now, we have a few mid-50s. Eastern Polk County up through Beltrami County and north into Lake of the Woods area, where Baudette has 57 degrees. Hey, take a look at these dew point temperatures. And I show this because the dew point, when they're this low, this is more typical of winter style dew points, particularly up north where it's in the 30s. Now, our air temperatures at night on a clear, calm and long night can approach these dew point levels. As we don't expect temperatures quite this cold, it's dry and it will cool fairly quickly tonight once these clouds that we have popcorned across the region clear. Radar showing a few sprinkles up in central and eastern Minnesota. Take a look at the long line of severe weather from Maine all the way down into the Memphis area and the Gulf Coast. Well, find the cold front, and there it is. Behind it, a cool pool of air spilling in, pushing and punching this hot, humid air out of the way, causing severe thunderstorms approaching the nation's capital, Pennsylvania, as well as a couple of tornado warnings in Maine. We don't hear that every day. Your hour-by-hour forecast shows tonight by 10 o'clock, our popcorn clouds and showers will exit, and we are expecting the winds to taper off as well. Now, as we go through the overnight hours, notice this, our model here depicting a couple of spotty showers and some clouds, mainly north and northeast of the FM area. But most of us will start our day closer to 50 as opposed to this morning's closer to 40-degree temperatures. As we head through the midday hours, we'll have passing showers continuing, but mainly north and east of Fargo. Our afternoon will be warm, and it will be warmest in the south and southwest, where we'll be near 80. And we'll still enjoy warmer conditions in northern Minnesota as well, as the shower chances exit late. The evening looks to be the finest time of your Tuesday, so a barbecue, a long walk, or maybe just a trip to the park will be perfect and in order. Basically north and northeast of Fargo, a few more clouds and a spotty sprinkle, but I wouldn't count on it. Most of us will stay dry. Temperatures 75 to 80 for almost all areas. There's another look at this guy on the beach. Thanks, Cleon, for pointing out the fact that this bird was so rare and visiting with us about it. All of you out there checking him out, it was fun to see. We heat things up. We're back close to 80 tomorrow, close to 90 on Wednesday, and we will have a spotty thunderstorm or two. It's going to be hit and miss. That system will cool us off as we head into the late week. The weekend looks a little warmer, but we will also introduce a chance of showers and some thunder. The best chance appears to be in our western counties where we need the rain most. At this time, it doesn't look big as far as the rain amounts, but we'll keep you posted on that as we go through the week. It is much needed. Stacy.
All right, thanks so much, Hutch. Extreme weather is leaving death and destruction in parts of the country. A tornado splintering homes outside Chicago, and Claudette regaining tropical storm strength as it descends on the Carolina coast after killing 14 people in Alabama. Elise Preston shows us the damage.
The storm drenched the North Carolina coast as it made its way northeast and back out to sea. Over the weekend, this same weather system brought tragedy to Alabama.
There's no words that can describe the loss that we all feel right now.
10 people died in this multi-car crash near Greenville. 8 were children traveling together in a van from the Tallapoosa County Girls Ranch, a nonprofit that provides a home for neglected or abused children. The kids, ranging from 3 to 17, were returning from a week at the beach.
We love these children. They're like our children.
This is what Claudette left behind in Bruton, Alabama after triggering a suspected tornado. At least 50 homes were damaged or demolished. And in Louisiana, police made multiple rescues in Slidell when flooding swamped as many as 50 cars. Further north, a massive cleanup is underway after a separate storm brought a tornado to suburban Chicago.
It was the weirdest sensation. My ears just started popping like I was going up on an airplane really quick.
Here's what's left of the kitchen in this Woodridge home after the storm shredded buildings and brought down both trees and power lines. More than 100 homes were damaged in the 3 miles affected.
Our community has been tremendously impacted. It's actually devastating.
Several people were hospitalized. Residents say by the time they heard the siren, the tornado was already touching down. Elise Preston, CBS News.
There's also damage in parts of Iowa from what's believed to be a tornado. The sheriff's office says that touched down just after 8 o'clock last night. Damage to farm and agricultural buildings was reported. Fortunately, there were no injuries. Many were in cloudy weather today as they celebrated the summer solstice at Stonehenge. They scaled the ancient stone circle's perimeter fence to witness daybreak. While the sunrise was obscured by cloud cover, those in attendance carried out their traditional rituals to give thanks to the sun. After a landmark study, we're learning more about how COVID affects babies and pregnant women. We'll share the findings when Valley News Live at 4 continues.
Hey everybody, have you ever noticed how many reports and apps and devices and medications there are to help you sleep better at night, right? How you sleep at night affects how every minute of your day goes. But so many of us really struggle with getting a good night's sleep because you go to sleep at night, you feel great, you wake up halfway through, oh my gosh, I'm overheating. Wouldn't it be great if there's something you could put on your bed that would actually help you sleep better? There is. This is Miracle Brand, and what they've done is they've found a way to naturally help thermoregulate your body temperature while you sleep. These sheets actually help keep you from overheating while you sleep, so you sleep better all night. And how does that happen? I call it the super secret silver ingredient. They found a way to put silver in the sheets. You can't see it, you can't feel it, they're fabulous, but it actually helps regulate your body temperature. Now, it also inhibits 99.9% of bacteria growth. That means you're doing 3 times less laundry in your fluffy plush towels and 3 times less laundry in your luxurious sheets, and you're sleeping better at night. So right now on localsteals.com, all these great ideas are 31 to 55% off. And if I can do less laundry, feel better all day, and sleep better all night, oh, and have fabulous brand new towels and sheets, definitely count me in.